Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by entering Brookhaven with a logged-in account and enough inventory room. Make sure you have at least 500 in-game currency or Robux ready for purchase. Immediately head toward the docks and event plaza because the penguin torso vendor tends to spawn there. This saves time versus wandering. Once there, open your map to mark vendor spawn locations and toggle any quest trackers. You're setting up access and funds so the next steps become quick and direct. You now focus on locating and unlocking the seller. Cycle vendor spawn points every 2 to 3 minutes because Brookhaven rotates NPCs frequently, and that reduces wait time. If a mini-quest appears, complete the simple task, often a delivery or a photo of a penguin NPC, to unlock the torso for purchase. This is why you didn't skip quest readiness. Once done, make sure to confirm the vendor inventory and reserve the item while you still have coins. Now complete the transaction. Select the penguin torso from the vendor and confirm the purchase while watching your balance so you don't overpay. After buying, open Avatar, go to Clothing then Torso and equip the item. Save the new outfit to a quick slot so you can reuse it instantly. If the torso doesn't appear, relog to refresh the inventory, check the Roblox inventory page, and revisit the vendor. If problems persist, ask a friend to verify vendor spawn or retry the purchase.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.